With early childhood education and learning about future jobs being their priority, these 10 happy children from Bukbilum Pikinini learned what it takes to drive such heavy vehicles.
Danny, okay, I got one mechanic tool.
The children in particular witnessed the largest Caterpillar track-type tractor produced in the world.
When you step on your brake, you'll see brake light comes on.
Seeing the vehicles and equipment up close, Bukbilum Pikinini's executive officer Lian Reson says such trips help children to set clear goals.
These field trips and the books that we develop around the When I Grow Up series, it's to motivate children to see education as a pathway, in their learning journey. And as they grow older, they come to understand the importance of that and what they aim to be in the future.
Reson says this excursion will now allow Bukbilum Pikinini to create a story about heavy equipment operator. Podivai, National EMTV News.